Hey, what's happening, my Body Shop friends? I wanted to share this with you. I'm just on my way to go grab some coffee, and I thought, what a great opportunity. I just finished up a call with a body shop owner. He has about 6 stores, and he asked me a crazy question that caught me off guard. He says, Ryan, what was the single biggest thing that helped you grow your shops? What would be the one thing that you could attribute to your growth and expansion in your shops? Here's what's interesting to me. As I thought about the question, it came to me that it's really the circle of 7. And so what is the circle of 7? Well, there's an old saying, and when I was about 17, I started my first body shop. At 19, I went to a conference with Zig Ziglar. Now, Ziggy's been dead for quite a few years, but he became like an early mentor for me. And one of the things he used to teach was, you become the sum of the 7 people that you associate the most with, right? And so the people that you have in your life that you're spending the most time with, often you become like those people. It's just a human trait that we all have. So surround yourself with the right kind of people was his message. If you surround yourself with people who are negative, people who are lazy, people who don't have good work ethic, people who, the world is always a bad place to be, that's how you inherently will start to feel. And so that's a really good message. And so the inverse is true as well. If you surround yourself with successful people, people who are driven, people who push you to be better, guess what? You'll be better. And so for me, at a young age, I started trying to surround myself with those kind of people. And always trying to find somebody who is a level above me. So for example, there's John Maxwell writes a book called The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership. And in that book, he talks about the law of the lid. And the lid is like that ceiling, if you will. You've got to a certain point in your life and you just can't seem to break past that. So when you take that into context, what brings that lid up or what elevates that ceiling is people in your life that help you lift that lid. And I've done this with my own life. In just recent days, I've partnered with Dan Martell, right? An incredible software guy that has done just incredible things, way above any of my abilities. And by doing that, that's elevating my lid. It doesn't mean that you have to partner with it, but getting people in your life that help you escalate. So where can you find those? Where can you find those people? Well, one of the things that I think is great in our industry is 20 groups. Surround yourself with some dynamic leaders, with some dynamic shops that are maybe a little above where you are. That would be my suggestion. So if you're small independent, get to a mid-size or larger independent and start working with those people. And a 20 groups is a great setting to meet those people and work with them. The facilitator of those 20 groups, there are some really good ones. Like Mike Anderson's an incredible one. The Sashries, Mike and Elena Sashry are great. Ron Kewen, there's Dave Luhr, there's Kristen Felder. There's all kinds of these people. Find the ones that if they have groups, that try and get into those, that's a great place to start. But really what it is bringing those people into your life that are an influence. But sometimes there's people you want in your life that you just can't afford it, right? And what I'm talking about is some of these coaches and people, they charge hundreds of thousands of dollars to coach people. But what they often have is books, and they have audiobooks, and they have courses that you can take. And that also will work to kind of level up your abilities. So to me, the best investment you can make in your business isn't actually your business, it's investing in yourself, right? So taking the time to always educate yourself, to level up. I think that would be my biggest suggestion. That was the biggest thing that helped me with growth. And it wasn't just, with the body shops, every business that I've gotten involved in, from everything from real estate investing to the software business to, the collision industry, all of those experiences, all of those things come with you, right? And that helps you level up. And even to this day, I'm always trying to invest more in myself as far as becoming more educated and trying to attract people into my life that are going to help me push my boundaries and level up. So guys, that's it. Just wanted to share that quick message. The number one biggest thing that I can attribute to growth and to success is investing in yourself and finding the 7 people in your life that will help you attain your goals. Keep crushing it. We'll talk to you soon.